Hey guys, it's Mike here from Mike and Mark's 4x4. Pretty excited this weekend. Just got my hands on a new set of Stedi Type-X Pro driving lights that are literally brand new out in January this year. So they've just arrived. Thought I'd just do a bit of an unboxing to show you what they're like, first impressions. Type-X Pros, obviously if you don't know Stedi came in with their Type-X in 2016 and really sort of changed up the market by offering a light that was sort of under 600 bucks. Really good range, I think over 800 meters, and it's just basically been selling like crazy. And then the Type-X Pros came out, which are sort of upping the ante even more. They're actually narrower, so they apparently should fit on the bull bar a bit better, and they've got a range of 1.15. Okay, so yeah, let's open them up and have a look. So they're the covers that come with it, just as standard. Two of those. Now this is a difference from the Type-X. You get these orange, and which sort of are surrounds basically that you can put around your light. There's quite a few colours available. I think there's pink and green and various other colours. Yeah, blue, pink, purple, green, orange and grey. And there they are. Basically, Stedi ship their lights with everything you need to do a self-install. So here, the attachment bolts, Allen key in there, so everything you need. And the wiring link. So pretty much fairly plug and play there. And here's the main thing, the lights. The frame, that's actually beefed up a fair bit over the first Type-X's, for the Type-X Pros. Really nice. There they are. Take a closer look at those. So dimensions of these, 215mm wide, 234 tall. And then sideways to just the light, 66mm wide, or sorry, 76mm wide. And then if you include the clamp, the bracket as well, it takes it to 109mm. So pretty narrow. First impressions, they look very, very nice. It's basically, so you can see we've got all the LEDs in here. 37 of those, and they're a mix of basically spot and spread. Colour temperature is 5,700 Kelvin, so if you've seen the Type-X, it's actually exactly the same colour temperature. You can just, I don't know if you can see on the video, these middle ones are the different LEDs. So Lifespan's rated to 50,000 hours. And the big question, cost. These set me back $689.99 for the pair. And I think I paid an extra $30 or something for the was in one of the bulk packets, the anti-theft kit. It's just worth getting them for the price. Fits in there pretty much perfectly, I reckon. And just from below, there's like heaps of room on the bar for the light. So yeah, really pleased with that. Thanks for watching our first look at the Stedi Type-X Pros. These are brand new out. Cannot wait to get them on the Ranger and see what they're like in use. Definitely going to be a big upgrade over just the standard headlights that I've got at the moment. Keep watching. I've got more reviews coming, guides of how to safely 4x4 and how to get out there. So don't forget to like, subscribe. Head over to our Instagram and Facebook page at Mike and Mark's 4x4. See you soon.